In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Freshdesk application effectively, whether you're accessing it through your web browser or on your mobile device. We'll go through each version so you can handle all your customer support needs smoothly and efficiently. Let's start with the Freshdesk web application, which is the primary way most companies interact with this platform. Begin by heading to the Freshdesk website. Once you're there, input your specific account domain, which typically looks something like yourcompany.freshdesk.com. Then, log in using your personal credentials to access your dashboard. Upon entering the dashboard, you'll notice several essential tabs that organize your activities. The Tickets tab harbors all your customer support requests. It's where you'll spend a lot of your time addressing various queries. The Contacts and Companies tabs allow you to manage your customer details and business accounts seamlessly. Keep an eye on the Reports tab to track your team's performance over time, and utilize the Admin tab to customize workflows, add new agents, and set up automation to streamline your operations. Once you're inside the platform, managing tickets becomes a crucial task. By opening a ticket, you can view the customer's details, understand the nature of their issue, and see its assigned priority level. You can respond directly to the customer from within the ticket and update the status accordingly, whether it's open, pending, resolved, or closed. You also have the option to assign the ticket to a specific agent or a support group if needed. Enhance ticket management by adding relevant tags, attaching notes, or using canned responses for quicker communication. An important feature Freshdesk offers is its ability to convert customer emails automatically into tickets, ensuring none of your customer queries get lost. Additionally, you can integrate various communication channels such as chat, phone, social media, or WhatsApp, allowing you to manage all customer conversations in one centralized location. Now, let's talk about the Freshdesk mobile app, perfect for staying connected while you're on the move. To get started, download the app. For iOS users, head to the App Store and search for Freshdesk, while Android users can find it on Google Play Store. After downloading, log in with your Freshdesk domain and credentials. The mobile app version packs a punch with its key functionalities. It allows you to view and manage tickets anywhere you are, delivering the flexibility to reply promptly to customer inquiries and make necessary ticket adjustments, such as status changes or reassignments to teammates. You'll also receive push notifications for particularly urgent issues, ensuring you can respond quickly and maintain high customer satisfaction. By mastering both the web and mobile versions of Freshdesk, you'll stay on top of customer communications and provide stellar support seamlessly.